It's 2 a.m. on another sweltering July night. You're lying in bed, sheets soaked with sweat, desperately trying to find a cool spot on your pillow. The fan's doing nothing but pushing hot air around. You can't sleep. You can't think. Your own home feels unbearable. Sound familiar? This is the reality for millions of UK homeowners every summer now, and it's only getting worse. But here's the question everyone's asking. Is it finally worth installing air conditioning in UK homes? Let's break down the real costs, the actual benefits, and whether this investment makes sense for British weather. Installing a proper air conditioning system in a typical 3-bedroom UK home will cost you between £2,500 and £4,000. That includes the units, professional installation, and getting everything up to code. Yes, it's a significant investment, but let's talk about what you're actually getting for that money. First, there's the immediate return on investment in quality of life. Those sleepless, miserable nights? Gone. Your productivity during heat waves? Restored. Your home becomes livable again when temperatures soar. But there's also a financial angle. Homes with air conditioning are increasingly attractive to buyers. Estate agents report that AC is becoming a genuine selling point, especially for younger buyers who expect it as standard. You're not just buying comfort, you're adding value to your property. Now, the big question. Do we actually get enough hot weather in the UK to justify this? Historically, you might have said no, but climate change has fundamentally altered that equation. Heat waves are becoming more frequent, more intense, and longer lasting. The Met Office data shows a clear trend. What used to be an exceptional summer is becoming the new normal. We're not talking about occasional discomfort anymore. We're talking about regular periods where your home is genuinely unlivable without cooling. This is about future-proofing. Every year, the case for air conditioning gets stronger. Installing it now means you're ahead of the curve, not scrambling during the next heat wave when prices spike and installers are booked solid for months. But beyond the numbers and the climate data, there's something more fundamental. Your home should be your refuge. It should be the place where you feel comfortable, where you can escape the outside world, where you can actually sleep at night. Air conditioning gives you that back. It transforms those unbearable summer weeks from something you have to endure into just another season. Your home remains your sanctuary, no matter what the temperature outside. The heat isn't going away. The question is, are you ready to take back control of your comfort?